Good afternoon guys and welcome back to a new vlog. This is the first vlog that I am filming since this whole quarantine thing started. Man, I don't even know where to start. This world is absolutely crazy right now. But I thought I would give you guys a little update on what has been going on in my life. So in Belgium, it has been over a month since they announced that we had to isolate ourselves. And during that time, my mom was actually on holiday in Thailand. And my stepdad, who also lives here at home, had to work. So he had to continue working. So if I self-isolated myself here at home, then I would have been all alone. So I decided to go and spend my quarantine with my boyfriend. So he still lives with his parents and I basically spent over a month there. It's been a few days since I am back home. So my mom was actually stuck on holiday for over 2 weeks and everything started to close there as well. So they had to be evacuated, you know what I mean. That sounds so dramatic. But there were no flights home. So eventually, after a lot of phone calls and emails, she even was in the newspaper. If I can find it, I will insert a picture here. But they ended up being able to get a charter flight with the Swiss. So apparently Belgium and Switzerland have a really good relationship. So they ended up on a charter flight to Zurich, and then from Zurich they had to take a bus to get back to Belgium. And she actually arrived in Belgium on my birthday, which was April 6th. But at that time I was still living with my boyfriend because she had to do a 2-week quarantine when she got home. So I waited another 2 weeks to come home and now I am finally home. And as some of you may know, I have my own business. So I have an online store, which is always linked down below. Just thought I would mention it. But aside from my online store, I also have a physical store in Bruges, which of course had to close because of all of this craziness going on. So it has been over a month that my store has been closed. It is really hard financially, not going to lie. I don't have an income. Online sales are good, but it's not the same as when my store is actually open. So yeah, the Belgian government is doing a lot to help us, so that is good. But yeah, I'm just trying to keep my head above water. But I am staying positive. I will be fine. We will get through this. My business will get through this. Everyone around me is healthy and safe, so that is the most important. So yeah, so far my little update on what has been going on in my life. The world is just crazy. And I hope we will be able to put this behind us soon, even though I have my doubts. My store is supposed to be able to open May 5th, I think, and we are... Hold on. Today we are the 20th of April. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon to be precise. So yeah, so far my update and how my life has been going. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope that everything is okay. And if you're having a hard time right now, just know that it will all end soon and I wish you the best. It is just crazy. I don't even know what to say. It's just a crazy time. But I am back home, which means I have my filming setup back, which means I will be able to film a couple of videos. I'm also finishing up my makeup vanity, which I actually finished yesterday. And then I still have a couple of things to change in my room. And then my room and makeup vanity like transformation, which I have been working on for months, if not over a year, will be finally done. So I'll show you guys the progress that we made. So yeah, let me do that now. Okay, so the first big thing that I changed is I actually changed my posters. So these are the new ones that I added. They are from Disenyo. I also changed the frame, so now it's a wooden frame, but they are so pretty. You can see the glare of my window. But yeah, I wanted to go for more of a desert, boho, Palm Springs vibe. And then as you guys know, don't mind the mess on my desk, but I just redid this entire corner and then this as well. So the only thing that is left to do is actually get new nightstands. I already ordered them. It was a birthday gift from my mom. And then in the long run, I also want to get a new bed, but that is really expensive. So that's not for now, but that's the last thing I want to change, and then my room will be completely transformed. But I did want to show you guys the beauty room because that's where we did the most yesterday. So if you guys saw my last vlog, I showed you guys the progress that we made, but this is what it looks like now. So freaking beautiful. I am obsessed. I just put this clothing rack here because I want to film a spring like try on haul next week. This is what the beauty room looks like. So we have a couple of wooden shelves, and then this vanity and stool and everything you saw in my last vlog. And then I think I also already showed you guys this little chest of drawers. I don't know if that's the right term, but we also added these knobs yesterday, which really does add a like boho feeling to it, and I am obsessed. So yeah, the only thing that is left to do in here is actually fix the rug. So this is a new rug, but my cats love to like get their nails in it. So yeah, as you guys can see, they completely messed it up everywhere, but from behind you can actually just pull it in and it looks fine. We already did it there yesterday, so that's something I have to do. But aside from that, this is what it looks like, and I am so freaking excited. It is so beautiful. Also, about 2 weeks ago I received a PR package from Pixie, which had a personalized glow tonic in it. How cool is that? And this is also huge. This is 500 milliliters, but this is my favorite toner ever, so I love that I have a big one now. So yeah, so for the update on my home decor, I am wearing the comfiest loungewear ever. So don't mind that. But yeah, now I'm going to do my hair because I want to take some pictures in front of my new posters. I also went on a hike this morning, which was really good. It was a 2-hour hike, well, no, 1.5 hour I think, and we took a couple of pictures, so I will insert what they look like. I am very blessed to have a garden and also have a forest like half a minute walking from here, and then also the beach, which is less than 5 minutes from my house, which is absolutely crazy. I am really blessed to have that, and especially during these times it is really nice to be able to get out. But now what I'm going to do is chill for a little bit, and then also I want to curl my hair before taking those pictures, and then I also have to go to Bruges to pack up some online orders. So those are the plans for today. Okay guys, so my hair is done. It still looks very poofy and crazy, but that is because I just did it. It is going to fall down and look way better. I look like a poodle now. But yeah, now I'm going to take the pictures in front of my poster and head on over to my store in Bruges to prepare the online packages. Alright guys, so I just got home from Bruges and also doing some groceries. I also dropped off a few packages at the post office, but wow, getting those groceries was not very easy. Like, all the lanes are now one way, and I am very bad at doing groceries. I always forget something, so then I have to go back, but I couldn't this time because you have to follow the path that they, you know, put on the floor. So it took me a little bit longer than usual, but we got there. I stayed safe. The grocery store did their best to keep everybody safe, so yeah. So now we're going to cook dinner, and I will see you guys tonight, I guess. It is already, what time is it? 6:30 in the evening, so yeah. Good morning guys, so as you can see it is the next day. I decided to combine yesterday and today into one vlog because I wasn't done vlogging. So it is now 11 in the morning. I just took a shower, I already had breakfast, and now I'm getting ready to film a video. It's going to be a ColourPop first impressions with some new makeup items, so I'm really excited about this video, so I'm going to go ahead and start on that, and I will see you guys once I am done. Okay guys, it's time for a little update. I just got ready filming my video. This is what the look turned out to look like. That was a weird sentence. This is what the makeup looks like basically. But while I was filming, I got an exciting delivery. I ordered a new diffuser and it finally came in. So as I mentioned yesterday, I am redoing my room. I am doing the finishing touches, and I have an ugly black diffuser right now which works perfectly fine, but it is ugly. It doesn't match my aesthetic whatsoever. So I decided to order a new one that matches it better. And I'm going to give this one to my mom, I think. But let's hope it looks pretty. I love diffusing essential oils in my room, so yeah. I thought I would splurge and get a new one. Let's hope it looks pretty. Ooh, yeah, it does. So this is what it looks like. It also has a light built in that changes color and everything like that. So yeah, this is like a marble design with fake wood, but it looks very beautiful. So I'm going to change my other one, and yeah, I think it will look way better. Right, so this is the old one that I had. As you can see, it is just black, plain and boring. So I'm going to change it up and add the new one. And then once my new nightstands come in, this will look so much better. Alright, so this is what the new one looks like. It matches it way better, so I'm so excited. So I can't wait to add some essential oils in it and start diffusing it. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. It is already pretty long, I think, so I'm going to start editing it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. If you want to see more vlogs, then definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye!